again guys, and thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So today I'm sampling one of our latest Orchant Selection releases, the Bolivar Belicosos Finos Orchant Seleccion 55th birthday edition. So this year is Mitchell Orchant's 55th birthday. He was born in 1964. So we have released 64 boxes of these Bolivar Belicosos Finos of a very special vintage. So Mitchell has been searching the world for the best Bolivar Belicosos Finos for most of his time in the business. He does cite these as one of his favourite all-time cigars, so he's sampled a great deal of them, let me tell you. So when he comes across those certain vintages and blends that are just that extra bit special, they have that touch of something magical about them, he lays them down to see what age can do to them. So these are from the June 2018 box code, and they've been sitting for a year and box aging. So they have developed a little bit more and they're very sort of refined now. There's still a little bit to go for them, I think, but they are smoking incredibly well at the moment. There's a little bit of pull to the draw, but not, so it's not too loose, you don't get overwhelmed with too much smoke. But it makes you work slightly for it, which is very nice. Fills your mouth with nice amounts of smoke as well. So the wrapper on them as well is gorgeous, silky smooth, like it's been finely tailored to fit it. They're just a marvellous thing to look at. Now Bolivar, being full strength cigars, makes them a prime candidate for aging and investing in, essentially. Those full flavours give it a lot more room to mellow and refine, and all those oils work together to truly make something really special. And what this gives you is that sort of seal of approval and that confidence to invest in these ones to further age. That Orchant Selection stamp on it makes you know that these are a fine vintage that are going to develop and develop and develop. So if you want to grab yourself some, we have just released them today, so you're in luck. If you've got yourself some on pre-order already, then you should be receiving them in the next couple of days. But grab yourself a box and celebrate with Mitchell on his 55th birthday, which is 14th of September. I know I'll be lighting one up to celebrate with him as well. If you want to purchase a full box, Mitchell will personally hand sign it and dedicate it to you if you wish. So that gives you an extra special treat for it. And too. Yeah, I hope you like them. If you're a fan of full strength Cuban cigars, you really cannot go wrong with these, because they are the perfect expression. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you do enjoy them. Head to C.Gars.com now, as they are limited in availability, so there is only 64 boxes. So if you want to be one of those with your hand signed box, grab them now. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and happy birthday, Mitchell. Cheers.